Another super fast start to the year. How is it February already? My current dividend portfolio is $56,945.94, a 2.9% increase from December, edging ever closer to 60k. I had 8 dividend payments this month. As usual, I will go through the quarterly ones first, followed by my regular monthly ones. First up is Altria Group, ticker symbol MO. The dividend was for $19.60 from 20 shares, paying a dividend of 98 cents each. The dividend payment was paid on January 10th. The next dividend payment is on the 26th of April, and the ex-dividend date cutoff is the 21st of March. The yield is currently 9.52%. It's been hovering around $40 to $45 for months. There's a neutral rating of 7 and general consensus of hold. No surprise there, really. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $41.82, which is 4.24% upside. I'm a bit on the fence at the moment, not sure if I want to add any more. The secular decline of smoking is always on my mind with Altria. I want to see more growth in their other revenue streams before taking the plunge. Next up is Cisco, ticker symbol CSCO. The payment was for $3.51 from a total of 9 shares, paying 39 cents each. This was paid on the 25th of January. The next payment is the 24th of April, and the ex-cutoff is the 2nd of April. The yield is currently 3.11%, with a 52-week high of $58.18 and low of $45.56. It has an underperform rating of 3 with consensus of hold. The lower guidance has really affected the stock price. Cisco are a powerhouse though and continue to rake in profits. I'm still buying. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $53.08, which is 5.78% upside. Next is JP Morgan, ticker symbol JPM. The payment was for $21 from 20 shares, paying a dividend of $1.05 each. This was paid on the 31st of January. Next payment is the 30th of April, and the ex-cutoff is the 4th of April. The price is spiralling out of control. I've been waiting for it to drop for so long. One of my best performing stocks. One of my regrets is not buying more. Now over $174. The 52-week low of $123 seems like a distant memory. It has an outperform rating of 9 with moderate buy, bullish all around. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $191.38, which is 9.76% upside, getting further out of reach. Next up is Pepsi, ticker symbol PEP. The dividend payment was for $1.27 from one lonely share. This was paid on the 6th of January. The next payment is the 28th of March, and the ex-cutoff is the 29th of Feb. The yield is currently 2.97%. Amazingly at a 52-week high of nearly $200. It has an outperform rating of 10 and consensus of moderate buy. Analysts see some upside with $187.75 as a target. Next up is a Walt Disney Company, ticker symbol DIS. A dividend payment was for 90 cents from a total of 3 shares paying 30 cents each. This was paid on the 10th of January. Incredible really, my worst performing stock finally paid a dividend. Who knows if they will ever pay it again. If they do, July would be the next time. Nothing has been announced yet. The yield is currently 0.31%. Amazing that we're talking about the yield again. I know it's very low, but it's better than nothing. It has an outperform rating of 10 and consensus of strong buy. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $108.35, which is 12.81% upside. Hopefully some upside will see them continue to pay the dividend. Next, we'll fly through the monthly payers. First up, JP Morgan Equity Premium ETF. Ticker symbol JEPI. The payment was for $19.68. Next, Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. Payment was for $22.56. And finally, Realty Income, ticker symbol O, $25.60 from 100 shares. This takes the total for the month for $114.12. A bit more than January 23, which was $86.04, a 32.63% increase from last year. In January 22, I didn't get paid anything at all. If we look at the yearly progress, onwards and upwards, I want to be closer to 3,000 projected income by the end of the year. Next month, I have payments from AbbVie, Apple, AT&T, Citigroup, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks and Verizon, plus the monthly players. Right, that wraps it up. As always, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.